Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to replace Honda Accord door, easy method. Start by clearing workspace and gathering tools so nothing delays the swap. Remove the interior panel and disconnect wiring harnesses with patience and careful prying. Mark hinge alignment with tape before unbolting to preserve fitment. Have a friend hold the door or use a padded stand to lower it safely and avoid chipping paint during removal. Start by lowering the window and removing the door panel to access bolts and connectors easily. Label each connector and fastener so reassembly is straightforward and you avoid hunting for parts. Back out hinge bolts slowly while a helper supports the door to prevent sudden drops. Once free, set the old door on a padded surface and inspect hinge areas for bent metal or rust that may need attention before fitting the replacement. Lift the replacement door into position with a helper and loosely install hinge bolts to allow adjustment. Close the door gently to check alignment and door gap spacing, then open and fine-tune hinge position until gaps are even. Reconnect electrical plugs and test locks, speakers, and window operation before fully torquing bolts. Reinstall interior trim and weather seals, then give the door a final function check to ensure smooth closing and latching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.